The Supreme Court has agreed to Special Counsel Jack Smith's request that they quickly review and rule on whether or not Donald Trump has absolute immunity from prosecution for anything he did while president.
U.S. Supreme Court justices on Monday afternoon responded to Special Counsel Jack Smith's request to quickly rule on Trump's immunity claims, in a move that is totally not designed to try and prevent Trump from running in the election. Jack Smith on Monday asked the U.S. Supreme Court to weigh in on Trump's immunity claims. Why is Jack Smith doing this? Well, it's obvious, because the Democrats know that the average American would prefer to get a STD than go through another 4 years of Biden. They sent in Jack Smith to do their political hit against Trump. In September, Trump was charged with 4 counts in Jack Smith's totally not bogus and totally legit January 6th case up in D.C., conspiracy to defraud the United States, conspiracy to obstruct an official proceeding, obstruction of an attempt to obstruct an official proceeding, and conspiracy against rights. Jack Smith is desperately fighting to keep the March 4 trial date, one day before Super Tuesday, in his January 6th case against Trump in D.C.
Breaking news, Special Counsel Jack Smith is asking the Supreme Court to decide whether Donald Trump has immunity from criminal prosecution for alleged crimes he committed while in office.
And in response, in a brief order, the Supreme Court signaled it would actually grant Jack Smith's request for an expedited consideration. The High Court ordered Trump's lawyers to respond by December 20th. According to the AP, the Supreme Court is scheduled to meet next on January 5th, 2024. Trump's lawyers argued that he is immune from federal prosecution for alleged crimes committed while he served as U.S. president.
The same guy, John Lauro, said he might have been guilty of a technical violation of the Constitution, but not a criminal violation. There is no such thing as a technical violation. If there's such thing as a technical violation of the Constitution, we ain't got no Constitution.
Jack Smith skipped over the appellate court and went straight to the U.S. Supreme Court on Trump's immunity claims. In doing so, Jack Smith made the following statement in an attempt to try and sound like his actions were based on justice, when we, in reality, actually know it's because the Democrats know Biden can't win a real election without mail-in votes. Jack Smith said, "This case presents a fundamental question at the heart of our democracy, whether a former president is absolutely immune from federal prosecution for crimes committed while in office." But anyone with an IQ level above room temperature knows that is complete BS. Constitutional expert Jonathan Turley said, "The only reason for this petition is to seek to guarantee a trial of Trump and possible conviction before the election."